Hey there, if you're just starting out in woodworking, picking the right table saw can be a game changer. Today I'll take you through some of the best table saws for beginners. First up, we have the DeWalt DWE 7485. This compact saw is perfect if you're short on space but still need power. It's lightweight, easy to transport, and has an impressive rip capacity. Plus, it comes with a rack and pinion fence system for accuracy. Next, let's talk about the Skill TS63700. This is a great budget-friendly option. It's got a 10-inch blade, which is perfect for most beginner projects. The folding stand makes it super convenient to store away when you're not using it. Now, for those of you with a bit more room and budget, the Bosch 4110 is a fantastic choice. This saw is known for its durability and precision. It comes with a gravity rise stand, making it easy to set up and take down. The soft start feature is also a huge plus, reducing noise and wear on the motor. Another great option is the rigid R4512. It's a bit bulkier, but it's packed with features. The cast iron table reduces vibration, and it has a great fence system for straight cuts. It's a solid investment if you see yourself woodworking for years to come. Last but not least, the Makita 2705. This saw is praised for its powerful motor and large cutting capacity. The adjustable dual-side guards make it safe and easy to use, especially for beginners. There you have it. 5 great table saw options for anyone just dipping their toes into the world of woodworking. Remember, always prioritize safety and take your time to learn the ropes. Happy woodworking!